number 2 is Mr. Kelvin Gabriel and Miss Dana Patricia Almera. Kelvin Gabriel is from Darama Binona, Rizal. A freshman of the
Tangat ang gown niya, hindi ko gusto.
He loves basketball
Pero
and knows how to play guitar.
Fairness, kinetche.
Oo.
Masyadong simple.
Oo. Hindi bagay sa kanya ano mula kanina, no?
Miss Dana Patricia Almera is an 18 years old summer from Binamang, Rizal, a third year of BSIS, who loves to dance, to sing,
Magaling yan, na ano niya.
and to paint.
Super bass, super bass ang talent niya. Ang bilis, kaya. Kumanta sa katumayaw. Super bass, kaya in fairness.
May sumagot ba sila? Sino maroon?
Wala pa ngayon pa.
Art picture interpretation. Kaya naman pala confident kasi may talented ako, di ba?
We have candidate number 3, Arnold Ramirez and Michelle Melanie Briones.
Ba't sila LCD? Bakit ganyan naman? Laki. Si Whiskey.
Arnold is from Cardona, a first-year student taking up BSID.
Hindi ko pa lalo.
He loves playing basketball.
Kasi rampa